Imagine a world where healthcare is more precise and accessible. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is driving us closer to that world. Today, we'll explore how AI transforms healthcare. Healthcare faces several key challenges. These include misdiagnoses, administrative burdens, and uneven access to services. Innovation is needed now more than ever. AI in healthcare refers to using algorithms to analyze data. This can help with diagnosis, treatment, and patient management. Let's break down how this works step by step. First, AI analyzes medical images. It detects diseases like cancer faster than human eyes. Algorithms identify patterns in images, improving accuracy. Next, AI assists in diagnosis. It examines patient data, including symptoms and history. By comparing this data against vast databases, AI suggests potential diagnoses. Next comes personalized treatment. AI can analyze how patients respond to medications. This enables tailored treatment plans, enhancing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. Additionally, AI enhances administrative tasks. It automates scheduling, billing, and other processes. This frees up healthcare staff to focus on patient care. Real-world examples show AI success. For instance, IBM Watson aids doctors in decision-making. It processes vast amounts of medical literature, suggesting treatment options based on the latest research. Another example is Google Health's AI for detecting eye diseases. It achieved accuracy on par with top specialists, making early diagnosis possible. Let's summarize the key points. AI improves diagnosis accuracy, personalizes treatment, and streamlines administration. This technology addresses critical healthcare challenges and enhances patient care. The future of AI in healthcare looks promising. We can anticipate smarter, more efficient systems that prioritize patient well-being. Are you excited about the impact of AI on healthcare? Subscribe for more insights, future mind AI trends, and stay informed about these developments.